What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome. Today I need a little bit of help here. If you can't already tell, I'm looking a little tired, right? That's probably because I just worked 9 hours in the office, and here I am making a video for you guys. Honestly, I love doing this, so can't complain. But today I'm talking about an eye serum that's supposed to help you out in that department. Now this is the VALJEAN LABS 𝗬𝗵𝘁 Eye Serum. This contains collagen and caffeine to wake up the under eyes. I don't know about you guys, but honestly, like after a long days of work, I look defeated. And actually, just by the time Wednesday comes around, I'm just looking like The Walking Dead, to be completely honest. So a little bit of help in that wake up department I can always afford. So this right here is actually meant to anti-age, brighten, and depuff. Just like how it says, depuff serum. And this is the first eye serum that I've ever purchased by VALJEAN LABS. And if you guys are new to this channel, VALJEAN LABS is my holy grail. I have tons of reviews from products of VALJEAN LABS, and they're very faithful. They are my tried and true, and I have a lot of respect and love for the company. So how do I feel about this? I will tell you the truth, I will be honest, and you're gonna get a legit review about this, guys. So if you're interested in how I feel about the VALJEAN LABS 𝗬𝗵𝘁 Eye Serum, then keep on watching. Caffeine is a requirement in my life. Coffee is something that I run on coffee. So to me, when caffeine is included within beauty and skincare, I live for it. So like I said, I need a little bit of wake me up right now. I need something to help me just deflush my exhaustion of the day. And of course I have a freaking headache. So what I'm gonna do before we start this, I'm using the 𝗦𝗢𝐶 CBD oil. This is a apple flavor. This is beautiful. It's 500 milligrams of CBD, guys. And I could definitely afford the help right now as I film this video. So before we get into this, guys, VALJEAN LABS products are sold on Urban Outfitters. JACOTTbrands.com is actually the main distributor of VALJEAN LABS products, and you can also find their products at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Now I did find out that Urban Outfitters is selling the 𝗬𝗵𝘁 Eye Serum for $12. JACOTT Brands has this for $15, and I picked this up at TJ Maxx for $6.99. So wherever you want to get it, those are your options. Now, like I said, this is the first under eye treatment that I've ever tried by VALJEAN LABS. And they have a couple other products that are under eye related products. And I know they have an anti-aging one, but this claims to help out with anti-aging as well. And the caffeine and the collagen basically helps like boost skin's elasticity and also like smooths and depuffs and like inflammatory underneath your eyes. So to me, I didn't want to try the anti-aging one because I figured this also is going to help out with that. But I'm going to be honest with you guys, before I even get into the whole spiel about this product and all the ins and the outs, this, to me, it didn't have any effect. I wish it did. I love VALJEAN LABS, and because this did not work incredibly for me, does not mean it's not going to work for you. So everybody has different reactions when it comes to skincare and products. That's just how it is, guys. So if you want to use this, give it a shot. Is it worth it? $6.99, you tell me. If you are going to try it, I'd recommend picking it up at your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls. That's just me being honest. I want to lay that on the line right away. And usually I'm like bragging about VALJEAN LABS products, but this one just, it wasn't for me, guys. So what I did find out about this product is not a lot, because JACOTT Brands doesn't have an amazing description about any of their products, unfortunately. Urban Outfitters, on the other hand, that carrier of VALJEAN LABS, they do have a nice description of what each product does, what its benefits are, what its ingredients are, and it's more in-depth than JACOTTbrands.com. So of course I'm going to link both of them in the description down below so you can check out either if you'd like. I'm going to list the ingredients right here so you guys can check them all out for yourself, but there are a few that really did stick out to me. The retinol and peptides, of course, that's what helps you out with anti-aging. We love that. The vitamin C and hyaluronic acid is to brighten your skin, and hyaluronic acid also does welcome moisture and helps retain like a good moisture level. So hyaluronic acid to me is a requirement with my like any skincare regimen, whether it's for like my body, my face, underneath my eyes, just everywhere. It's amazing. Caffeine and collagen, like I said, that's to depuff and soothe inflammatory and inflamed skin. So we love that. Now, let's get into the packaging, guys. Like every other product by VALJEAN LABS, the glass bottle, the applicator, I love it. Their products are always very minimal, sleek, and just they're luxury at a price that everybody can afford pretty much. The size as well is actually pretty great. This is 1 fluid ounce, and honestly, you do not need to use a lot. You're putting this underneath your eyes, guys. You don't need to like slather product and like solution underneath your eyes to like make the product effective. So what I like to do, and what the directions actually say on this, is apply a few drops onto your fingertips and soothe onto cleansed face around eye area, being carefully to avoid direct contact with eyes. So very simple, basic, guys. I didn't need to read that. That's pretty much like a given of how you apply eye products. So let's give it a shot, and I'm going to suck it up here. And guys, this consistency is different than any of the other VALJEAN Labs serums I've ever used. It's more like thick. Of course it's watery, but you really don't need a lot at all. So we're gonna rub that on, and we're just gonna pat that underneath our eyes and pray for the wake-up call that we need. Unfortunately, like I said, guys, this is not giving me the effect that I was hoping for. Not saying it doesn't hydrate underneath my eyes, but it just doesn't give me that. I'm trying to think of like a wake-up noise, and I'm like, what is that? That's like a suction noise. Ew. More like this. This is a wake-up call. I hate that noise. That is the worst noise ever. But that is honestly like what effect I wanted. For underneath my eyes, of course. I mean, like I said, towards the end of the week, midweek even, my under eyes have circles sometimes, they're puffy, and I try to get at least like between 6 and 8 hours of sleep. Doesn't always happen, but I noticed that, of course, like staying hydrated and getting the right amount of sleep is what really helps me out with, you know, looking more alive. But anything to help out additionally is always a bonus. We appreciate that. So overall thoughts and opinion about the VALJEAN Labs Depuff Eye Serum. Guys, if you're gonna check this out, stop by your local TJ Maxx, Marshalls, $6.99. It's a deal. Let me just clarify though, it's not that this 100% did not work for me. It just did not depuff and like get rid of circles underneath my eyes. On the other hand, what it did do is keep it hydrated. And a good like hydration underneath your eyes is always something we need to have in our life, obviously. So moral of the story is, this was not a win for me, VALJEAN Labs. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I still love you. But it is definitely worth something checking out because, again, everybody's skin reacts differently. And that's just like a fact. So because it did not work for me, it may work for you. It might be a miracle worker for you. Who knows? You never know. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I love VALJEAN Labs. These are some of my favorite products I have by them. The Glow Serum is my tried and true for a nice little glow. And I'm almost out of the Replenish gel right here, and I freaking love this. And the Sculpt Serum. These are my 3 favorite products by VALJEAN Labs. Maybe I'll do like a favorite VALJEAN Labs products video. It's probably a good idea because I have quite a bit. So that's a wrap, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I inspired you to check out VALJEAN Labs. Maybe give this eye serum a chance. If you did actually try this, sound off below in the comments because I want your opinion. I want to know if this worked for you or like maybe what your favorite VALJEAN Labs product is. Before you leave, let me remind you of a giveaway, guys, on my video, my giving thanks video, which is going to be linked in the description down below. I'm giving away 2 bracelets to a lucky winner. All you have to do to enter, again, is comment on that video, follow my Instagram, and follow my YouTube channel, of course, and you'll be entered into my giveaway, which I'm announcing the winner on December the 9th. So please get a chance, guys, to win a bracelet of mine. They are handcrafted, they are beautiful, they are authentic, they are filled with love and joy, made by me. So hopefully you would appreciate it. I know you would appreciate it, guys, because they're luxury bracelets. Let's get real. But give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.